Hi, I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video lesson, how to play Love Is Easy by McFly on the ukulele. If you haven't already, click the link below to download the chart. Everything's going to make a lot more sense that way. Let's go over the chords in the order they appear in the song. The first one is an A. Your first finger goes on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and your middle finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. To go from that to the F sharp minor, all you have to do is put your ring finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. A, F sharp minor, A, F sharp minor. Now the way we're going to play the D for this is I want you to bar all the way across the 2nd fret and put your pinky on the 5th fret, 1st string. And that lets you slide right up to the E and back down to the A. And the E is exactly the same as the D, just 2 frets higher. Hey, I'm laughing the clouds away. For the B7, your first finger goes on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Your middle finger goes on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. And your ring finger goes on the 4th string, 4th fret. Funny how that works out. Now there's another F sharp minor that I like to use on the chorus because you're up here on the E. It's the easiest thing to do. To me, seems a lot easier than it's the easiest thing to do. So swapping back and forth, you can just go from here to your first finger stays all the way across the 4th fret, and then your middle finger plays the 2nd string 1 fret up in your finger. Your ring finger reaches over and plays the 4th string 2 frets up in your 1st finger, and then the pinky crowds behind it, also on the 2 frets up on the 3rd string. The strumming, like most uke strumming, is pretty simple. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Basically, and now I like to alternate it with starting off with just the downs, give sort of a thinner texture, and then when you get into the chorus, keep trying to use the backs of my fingernails, but on the higher notes, my thumb and finger pad get a lot better tone. Those dumb old guitar habits. Another way to make it sound more musical is to play quieter on the verses and louder on the choruses, which if you listen to the original is kind of what they do, only they have a lot more instruments to do it with. You just have your humble uke. When you get to the woo-hoos, one thing you can do is you can just kind of quit playing and keep time on your ukulele. All I'm doing is a quick drum roll with my fingers. And then an accent with my index finger, a light tap with my ring finger. Like all other songs, start practicing the chord changes slowly. Just walk through them, making sure all the notes ring. If you have trouble with a particular change, one thing that helps is hold the chords for a while. Keep everything sounding nice. You can watch TV, hold it all commercial, go back to make sure it still sounds okay. Ow, and then hold the other one. And then practice just really slowly moving between those two, making as little finger motion as possible. Well, that was easy, unlike love. Don't forget to check the links below for a chord chart, the play-along video, and other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's this gray area. Now, I know I'm a great teacher, and no doubt everything was totally covered. But, just in an odd chance that I accidentally let my editor cut something out of the video, if you don't understand something, please ask a question. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Love Is Easy by McFly for the ukulele. Thank you for watching. Do, 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 do.